You guys already know. Got a nice little delivery. Alright, so this is a little parts haul that I got for the Jenny. Got some diff fluid, brake fluid. Got Brembos. That's for the diff. Got a new oil filter because I gotta do the oil change soon. Also got the P2M floor mats. I've been wanting these for a while. I'm about to go slap these in the car right now. And then I also got the 3.5 diff that I'll put in like right now. The 3.5 diff just came in. I'm excited about this. Also, almost forgot about my stainless steel brake lines that I also got. And then dual oil catch cans. But first, we're gonna go put in these new floor mats. All right, we put in the new floor mats. Out with the old nastiness. Yeah, that's better. Finally got rid of these old beat up original Genesis Coupe floor mats. Those nice P2M ones. Slowly but surely getting the interior buttoned up. I will be doing all black very soon as well. But yeah. And more gauges coming soon. And then put down in the comments what kind of steering wheel should I get. Should I get a brand new Hyundai steering wheel? Should I go with the quick release? Should I go with the carbon fiber wheel? Not the biggest fan of the carbon. Like, I don't like the one with the little digital dash thing on top. I just like kind of like an OEM plus kind of look. Put down in the comments what you guys think I should do for interior mods. Because right now I got the double din. I've got the SCG1 gauge. I will be getting an oil pressure gauge soon. I believe instead of going with the E85, I'll be going with the Snow Performance meth kit. Purely because I just don't have any like E85 pumps anywhere near me. And I feel like meth injection would be pretty nice to have. Especially with the way I want to build the Jenny right now. Seems like the way I want to go. But yeah, like as you can see, like I'm missing this little tab thing that's here. Headliner's peeling right there. And in the back too, so she needs a little refresh. But yeah, let me know. Steering wheel next. Also, a chassis mount shifter will be coming soon too. More than likely the Excelodyne chassis mount. So keep an eye out for that. Later. Got another spare set of Brembos that I'm about to actually go send out right now. So see ya in a little bit. Right now, just waiting for my boy Josh to pull up so we could go get some wheels. I'm not driving because of
cancer.
You know what? And that's too far of a drive for me. We're gonna drive like an hour away. I can't do that. If you couldn't tell, this is a couple days later. Actually more than a week later because I had my chemo session that I was at. My chemo session, that's like a week long, so I had that I was at. Probably get some food and slap the wheels on the Jenny. Yeah, we got the wheels. All right, about to head back home.
Yeah, we made it back home with the wheels. Time to put them on. This is the Jenny right before. So another thing when putting on aftermarket wheels, you're gonna want to look up what the bore size is from your stock wheels to the new wheels, so that you could put a hub-centric spacer or like hub-centric ring on it, so that you don't have like wheel shake or like wobble. This is it with the spacer or the ring in. So this is how it looks right now. I got 10 mil spacer up front, and then I've got a 25 mil spacer in the back. The 10 mil spacer is really just to clear the coilovers. What you guys think? I could go a little bit lower, just in the rear though. Alright, that's it for the video. Let me know down below what you think about the wheels, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.